In this video, I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your MacBook or your iMac with the internal audio and how to record an external microphone using a free plug-in. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently I was asked how I record my tutorials for YouTube and how I'm able to share my screen and also add in a voiceover. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I achieve that. And the first step is I'll show you how to record your screen using QuickTime Player. So to access QuickTime Player, you can go through by pressing Command and Spacebar on your keyboard, and that will bring up Spotlight, and you type in QuickTime Player and that should come up, and double click on that. Just click on cancel and then come up here to where it says file and click on new screen recording. So right now I have it selected as record entire screen. If you want to choose to record a portion of your screen, just click on that, and then you will be presented with a grid for you to either expand, decrease, move about, any way you want, and then it will capture whatever is in that selected window. But we want the entire screen. So once you've done that, go into options and also check where you want to have it saved to. You can save it to any location you want, desktop, documents, wherever you want it to go to. I also have in here the option to choose if I want a 5-second or 10-second countdown before the recording starts. I've put mine to none because I don't need it. And when it comes to the microphone, right now I have it set to my built-in microphone. Now this is the microphone that is inbuilt into your Mac or your iMac, and that will capture your voice as you're speaking now, recorded alongside the screen. So, and once you've done that, just click on record. And once you start recording, you then see this icon at the top that shows that you're recording. And then once you're happy with your recording, you can end it by clicking on that as well, and you can play that back. You then see this icon at the top and that's your screen recording with the audio from the internal microphone in your MacBook or your iMac. Now, the next step is to install a software called Blackhole. Yeah, sounds like a superhero name. Blackhole. Okay, to download this free plugin, we need to go to the website github.com. I will leave a link below for you to access that. Scroll down to where it says installation instructions. Click on the download installer, and then you'll be presented with this where you enter your email address, your name and everything, and then just click on subscribe for free Mac download. Just check your email, see that it's arrived. If it hasn't, just check your junk mail, click on the link in the email for you to download the software. Before installing the Blackhole audio plugin, make sure you've closed down any audio applications like QuickTime, Audacity, GarageBand, any application that uses audio. Make sure it's closed, otherwise you're going to run into problems with installation. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Blackhole package and install it. If there are any security password that you need to put in based on your setup on your Mac, then go ahead and enter your password to allow the software to install itself. So once that is done, we need to go into configuring our audio setup by pressing Command Space Bar again and typing audio MIDI setup. And once you've done that, double click on it and we'll be taken to this window here. And let me just enlarge this a bit more so you can see what's going on. So we're going to come down here on the plus sign here. We're going to choose the create devices and create an aggregate device. Once we do that, we're going to go in here, click on it and rename it to QuickTime Player Input. Okay, and we're just going to choose Blackhole 16CH That's the first part. So the next thing we need to do now is to create a multi-output device. Rename this screen record with audio. So here you can already see it selected my audio interface, which is the Scarlett 616 audio interface. So that's not what we need. So I'm just going to deselect that. The first thing I'm going to choose is the built-in output and Blackhole 16CH. We're done on this part, but I want to go back to the QuickTime player input. The reason why I want to go back is what we've set up now allows us to record our screen with the internal audio. So let's say you're doing a reaction to a video you saw on YouTube or on the internet. This is where you select your microphone. So in this case, I'm using an Audio-Technica AT2020 microphone, and that is connected to my audio interface, which is the Scarlett 616 audio interface. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Whatever your setup is, that's what you're going to choose. To make sure that we're recording correctly, we're going to go into our system preferences and going to choose sound, and within the sound in our output, so we click on that, and this will enable us to record our internal audio. So now we're going to open up QuickTime to record our internal audio plus a voiceover if we choose to. So again, Command and spacebar on your keyboard and bring up QuickTime, and we're going to go into File, Screen Recording. On our options, this time around, we'll now have this available. So this is the option that will allow us to record our internal audio. So we'll click on that, and then we're going to press record. I'm going to bring up one of my videos. I'll play for a few seconds and then try and record myself over it and see if we got it right. Okay, so here we go. So intro playing, you should be able to hear my voice. Okay, and hey guys, that's it. It's been a while. So let me just stop this. I guess that worked. So once you're done with your recording, make sure you return your audio setup back to the way it was before you wanted to record your internal audio. And to do that, we're going to go into again our system preferences and go back into sound and put it back to where you want it, which is the Scarlett for me, which is my external microphone. For you could be the internal speakers or whatever else that you use, but for me this is where it's going to go back to my normal settings, and just shut that down and we're done. If you're interested in creating video content using your smartphone, check out this playlist here. I hope this has been helpful to you. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are, so please put them down in the comments below, and until next time, take care and God bless.